everyone, this is Diksha from Food Pleasure and Health, and today I'm going to show you how I make my everyday tea, or we call it Chiya in Nepali. In my opinion, Chiya is a very personal experience. It varies greatly from one person to another, from one family to family, and I can't wait to show you how I make my Chiya. So let's get started. Start by adding water to my pot, and I'm making this tea for like about 2 servings. And next thing is I'm going to start adding my spices. I like my Chiya with cardamom and ginger, so I have here pressed cardamom. Give it a quick crush and I'm going to put it in water. And then next is my ginger. I have this fresh ginger and I'm going to use my spoon to peel it. I find this the easiest way. So I'm going to quickly peel it. And this is, the part where I think using fresh ginger really pays off. If you have powdered ginger, that's fine, but I think in this one, fresh ginger is the way to go. I'm going to slice this and give it a quick crush again. I'm going to add it in my water. Alright, so I'm going to let this ginger and cardamom simmer in water for like a few minutes. This is where it extracts all the flavors, and this is the part where you can really make your chai your own. I like, I like mine with ginger and cardamom, but if it's during winter season, I like it a little bit spicier than this. So I like to add a little cinnamon, black pepper, and even a star anise or nutmeg, depending on what I have. For summer months, since it's hot, I like to use cooling spices like fennel and fresh mint. This is where you can really customize your tea if you'd like. I know a lot of my friends, they like to use lemongrass. Some of them don't like to add any spices. So that's the beautiful thing about your tea. You can pick and choose what herbs and spices you like to add and make it your own. So alright, so the water has been simmering for about 5 minutes or so. It smells really good. And next thing is my tea. So this is just your Assam CTC tea leaf. So I'm going to add that. And I'm adding a healthy 2 spoonfuls of that. And again, depending on the tea brand that you have, how strong or light you like your tea, you can adjust the amount. So let's see. This, I'm going to let it come to a full boil for about 3 to 4 minutes, and you'll see that it has that rich, robust color, and that's what you want. As my tea is coming to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar. I like to add my sugar right now because I'm just making it for myself, but if you are serving this to a guest and you don't know their sugar or sweetness preference, you can serve it on the side as well. So this has been here for about maybe 3 to 4 minutes, and next thing I'm going to do is add the milk. So I have this whole milk here and I'm going to pour it. And when it comes to milk, I just keep an eye on it and add as needed, because some days I want my milk to be a little strong and rich, but other days I want it a little bit on the milkier side. So I just keep an eye and let it come to a boil, then add more if needed. So usually 2:1 ratio seems to work. Again, you can just play with it. So it looks like our tea is ready, and I like the color. It's rich, it's that brown color, and give it a quick taste. It has the right amount of sweetness that I like. So I'm going to turn this off and strain our tea. So there you have it, my tea is ready, and this is exactly how I would like to start my day, or even mid-afternoon. I'm going to go ahead and share the recipe for this and my link below, so don't forget to check that out, and I'd appreciate if you could like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye!